Hello my beautifuls, today I'm going to be doing a haul. Just a little reminder, I didn't get all of this in one day, and some of them were from, I needed them for a photo shoot that my family did. Let's start off with Kohls. I got this shirt at Kohls. It's just a muscle tee and it says Dare to resist drugs and violence. I don't know, I just really like the shirt. So yeah, and I also got these pairs of shorts. They have 2 buttons on them, which I really like, because I've never had a shorts with 2 buttons on them. And then the next thing from Kohls is this really cute tank top. It has big holes right here, and it has like little daisies on it and this really cute fringe. And yeah, it's this really cool material too. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but it's like soft mesh. No, that's not. I don't know. Okay, so the last thing from Kohls is this like seamless tank top. It's just regular black and it's kind of see-through, but yeah. So the next item is from Wet Seal, and it's just this black tank top. I was gonna say shirt, and it has like this really cute ruffle. So this is like, shut up dogs. This is lace, and then this is just a solid black, just solid black with lace on the top, like that. And then the last 2 items are from Buckle, and we were like about to leave the mall, and my mom wanted to just check out Buckle because she wanted like to look at their jeans and stuff like that. So we went inside Buckle, and I didn't expect to find anything. I actually found some really cute things, like this dress. So it's just like a white dress with like this Aztec not knit. I don't know how to explain it, but it has like really cool colors, and it's the same on the back. It's just like bunchy, that's the word? I don't know. And it's just really flowy, great for springtime, and it's strapless. All my dresses are strapless. I don't know why, like I don't mean to, they just, so yeah, that's how it looks. It's really pretty. And to go with that, the girls at the store Buckle, they were like, oh, and it goes perfect with the dress, and like it was like made for the dress, and it was just so cute, and I love it. And again, there's like fringe at the bottom. I'm really liking the fringe, tan colored. Okay, so you know when you see like those old baskets and they're like weaved, that's what it reminds me of. It's like weaved, and I don't know, it just reminds me of like Indian style. I don't know, I'm weird, okay? What if I just like sat like this the whole time and just went like, hello everyone. Okay. So weird. What was I saying? So that's it for this haul. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave me a like and a comment down below on some other suggestions for videos, and I might do them. And follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Tumblr, links in the down bar below. And I'll see you guys next time. What's the nearest thing? This is the nearest thing. So I'm gonna close the lens with this. Okay. Peace out, Girl Scouts. And then, oh my god, why? Stay. And then, ow. never say that. Well, I actually say it in public, but not like this. Okay, whatever.
You know you never seem to mind when I show up late in this broke down car of mine to pick you up and take you out. We make the best of our short